You don't actually need expensive drug in order to boost the immune of your broilers. In this video, I'm sharing with you some natural ways to boost the immune of your broilers. I'm Chijindo Ryan. Welcome to my channel. One of the ways to boost the immune of your broilers that most farmers overlook is this. One is avoid wet litters at all costs, because wet litters give way as in brew the germs and diseases and bacteria, and so always avoid wet litters. And another thing is avoid overcrowding, because overcrowding, whenever your pen is being overcrowded, the litter must definitely be wet always, no matter what, unless you change the bedding every day or every 12 hours. So avoid what's it called avoid overcrowding. And overcrowding with poor ventilation will lead to mortality, so avoid overcrowding at all costs. Then another thing is maintain proper biosecurity, as in maintain proper biosecurity. Don't be among those that if you go to another person's farm, or you go out, you go to the market, immediately you come back, you will just rush to your farm. No, it's not done that way. You need to go and freshen up as into bed and change your clothes, then wear the one that you normally use to enter your farm, then you do the food bathing before entering the pen itself. Then another thing is make sure your pens are properly ventilated, as in ventilation and airflow, as in there should be a proper airflow. So avoid poor ventilation. Make sure that your pens are properly ventilated always. Then another thing that I usually do is from time to time I do give them all these organic supplements like moringa leaf, aloe vera, ginger and garlic, bitter cola, what's it called, bitter leaf and scent leaf, neem leaf, that's dogo yellow, and every other ones. So it helps to boost their immune system. The most important thing you need to know is that the cleanliness is next to godliness. The same thing with human being. You can't stay in a very dirty environment and and think that your immune will be boosted. Always make sure that their pen is properly ventilated and it's dry always. Thank you. I pray that God will see you through. And my advice is this: always do whatever you are doing as a poultry farmer with God. It pays. Thank you.